fall colors. All right, welcome back to Dash for Adventure. We're driving south from Dollywood, headed back home. It's a Sunday, so it's a Sunday drive. Check out that railroad crossings in the yard. The trees are starting to change colors. Man, this is beautiful. Lakes are starting to drain down to their winter levels. We had a pretty serious rain this morning. It's left everything wet. Unfortunately, it washed away a lot of the most colorful trees, but the colors are still there. So tell me, where is the most beautiful autumn scenes that you've witnessed? Let me know in the comments. We always take the back roads. It just seems to be so much more beautiful and peaceful than taking the interstate. That's especially true if you're looking for autumn colors. How would you like to live in a house like that? Well, make sure you like and subscribe if you like quirky little videos like this. Some days they're full of travels to Dollywood, and some days they're full of travels like just driving down the road on an autumn day. Either way, stay informed. See you guys in the comments. Let's go to Walmart and get some supplies. Catch you next time.